When you're ready to have your roof replaced, you want to make sure it's done right. Denny's Roofing LLC offers HOA roofing in Longmont, Colorado, and provides high-quality roofs for homes and businesses throughout the area. A good roof is essential to keeping your home safe from damage caused by storms or other natural occurrences. Your home is the safety net for your family, and having trouble with your house should be the least of your worries. Here at Denny's Roofing LLC, we are your one-stop shop for all of your exterior needs. We're committed to providing our customers with a service experience that's second to none. Our comprehensive 5-star service guarantee means one call does it all: residential and commercial roofing, roof replacement projects, even insurance claims specialists. We'll make sure everything goes smoothly from start to finish, so you can breathe easy knowing that everything is taken care of. When it comes time for your next roofing project, give us a call at 970-275-4012. And if you want to improve the look and feel of your home or business, visit our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/longmont-roofing-company. With Denny's Roofing LLC, you get more than just a roof. You can rest assured knowing that your home or business is protected from the elements.